In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Costco online 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find what you need, add it to your cart, and choose a delivery option that works for you. Start on the Costco homepage. From here, look along the main menu to decide what you want to shop. The site groups items by clear categories, so it's easy to jump straight to what you need. For this walkthrough, we'll head into grocery to restock essentials you use around the house. And this page gathers everyday items in one place so you can browse quickly. Inside grocery, navigate to cleaning supplies. This filters the page to products designed for keeping your home tidy. From there, select laundry detergent to focus specifically on detergents and related laundry items. On the product grid, you'll see details like size, price, and sometimes a per unit cost, which can help you compare value across brands and package sizes without opening multiple tabs. When you find a detergent you want, click Add. On some products, you might see Add to Cart instead. It does the same thing by placing the item into your cart. If there's a quantity box, choose how many you need before adding. Keep browsing if you want more items, repeating the same action for each product. You can always adjust quantities later if you change your mind. Once you're done, open your cart to review everything you've added. This is where you choose the delivery option you prefer. You'll see an estimated delivery window based on your location and the contents of your cart, which gives you a clear idea of when your order should arrive. If you need your item sooner, you can select Express 1 to 2 business days, which shows as $30 or $4 in this example. Delivery windows and fees can vary depending on your address and what you're ordering, so take a moment to pick the option that fits your schedule and budget. Before moving on, check the subtotal to confirm the current cost of your items. This figure usually excludes taxes, delivery fees, and any additional surcharges, so it's a helpful snapshot of your product total before finalizing. When everything looks right, the items, quantities, delivery choice, and subtotal, click Checkout to continue. That's your cue to proceed and complete your order. And that's the process. You went to the Costco site, browsed grocery, drilled down to cleaning supplies and laundry detergent, added products, reviewed your cart, selected your delivery speed, confirmed the estimated delivery, checked your subtotal, and moved to checkout. Follow these same clicks for any category and you'll be ready to place your Costco online order with confidence.